Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to answer one of the most asked questions by WhatsApp users online. So during our research, we found out this is a question that a lot of people ask on Google and then on YouTube as well. So I decided to make a video about it because I make a lot of tutorial videos about WhatsApp. So the question is, how can they remove the Meta AI thing they see here from their WhatsApp? Something like that. So currently from my researches I did online, you cannot remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. So it came with the update, something like that. It's fixed. So you can see there's a chat between myself and the Meta AI. So what you can do here is you can archive it. If you want to remove it, you can archive it. So to archive something, let me put this down here a bit. And then you long press the chat, something like that. And then you tap on here to archive it. So if you don't want to get access or you don't want to see this Meta AI on your WhatsApp at all, you need to, go with the next option, which is WhatsApp Business. So with WhatsApp Business, you're not going to see Meta AI on top here, but then you're going to see it here, Business Assistant here. So in this case, you can hide it. When I long press, I'll hide it. And I choose my archive here and I hide it. So in this case, I'm not going to see any Meta AI thing here with WhatsApp Business. So if you think WhatsApp is not going to help you remove it, I think you should go with the alternative, which is WhatsApp Business. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. If there is any good news on how to remove it from WhatsApp, I'm going to make another video on that. So that's it. Once again, peace.